Hey guys, this is Ben with Table Needs. We're here at Coffee Fest in New York City with our partner Stream, and today I'm going to demo you our new integration with Stream. We're going to go ahead and put some beverages in. We got our menu up here. We're going to order a tiramisu chocolate and an herbal tea. And you can see as I put those orders in over here, right on your drive-through, everything's coming through. And then we're going to take a look at how we edit the menu. Gone are the days of having menu printing costs. You can just go right into Table Needs, right into menu management. Head over to your menu items, and we got this indoor menu right here. We're going to change the price of this matcha green tea. So we're just going to go down to our beverages, head over to matcha green tea, change this. We're going to increase our price to $5.99, save that out, and when I hit publish, all of our menus are going to update online and in store instantaneously.